morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to DSF. My name is Logan, and today we are going to test drive the new Ford Ranger StormTrak. So, as I mentioned earlier, think of this as a Wildtrak Plus Plus. It's got a little bit extra from what the Wildtrak does, and it's a limited edition. So, let's see how it drives. So, as you see, you shift the transmission by pressing this button and then just pulling back for drive. And then, just go through the gears, reverse, neutral, drive, and then manual for right now. We are trying to make our way out here while the car is parking, so let's give them some space to park first.
Reminder on the timing.
Okay. And let's make our way out. Okay, so left or let's go left. Acceleration is smooth. I like that. So is the brakes. Okay. Keep left. Oh, sorry, keep left. So far, the impressions are pretty much the same as we get in the Wildtrak. Smooth braking, smooth acceleration. Everything is pretty much smooth. It's just a little daunting for me personally, trying to be up so high, because I'm not used to driving very tall vehicles like this. But it is very confidence inspiring in this car. I don't feel afraid at all. Oh, I like this acceleration too. We keep left here as well. Okay. So as you can see, power delivery is very linear, very smooth. The braking is also very smooth. It's not grabby. Gotta be careful on these roads. The suspension is surprisingly smooth for something that feels this sporty as well. I'm taking, as you can see, a lot of potholes and bumps here. This left now, bro?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So that's our guide at the back. I never caught your name, bro. Rav. Okay, so Rav will be guiding us today as we test out the new StormTrak. And oh wow, handling is so smooth on this car. I took that turn, I slowed down a bit because I was fully expecting like I might, the car might jerk or tilt, but no, it's very smooth. Oh. Okay, well, we know this thing is off-road ready then, because it could take the speed bump very well. A little bit, and there we go. So as you see, the suspension doesn't bounce so much, which is a very good sign, because some pickup trucks tend to be very bouncy, especially on speed bumps like this. I really like the brakes on this car. I will say that for most pickup trucks, the brakes tend to be a little bit grabbier. They're not as smooth as this car in my experience, or maybe it's just my foot. It sort of gels with the brake pedal on this car a bit better than others. But I really like the braking on this car. I really like the handling on this car. It doesn't feel like you're in a big, tall pickup truck when you're taking turns. It does feel quite smooth. It does feel like you're in a lower sedan, maybe like a Camry or something. So if you guys are more interested in a sportier pickup truck, then I would definitely suggest you go try and test drive one of these limited edition StormTraks. It is, after all, one of the top 3 best-selling pickup trucks in the country, so it's not for nothing, guys. Let's go back in, and overall, my test drive was a very, very pleasant one. I was honestly surprised at how well this massive vehicle can handle. So, big car, but feels like a littler car when you drive it. That is my overall review. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.